Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AZFL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only a nice day today, but overall a nice trend has been forming. There's definitely a lot of good things going on, and as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building those higher bases, then the chart is only going to build upon itself and get that much more attractive and powerful. But let's first start by talking about some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support, and I would call this ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? It would be right here at 0014. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0014, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can continue to hold above it, and I use the word continue, because if you look right here, you can see that a couple different occasions today, the bears did try to press down through 0014, but to give full credit where it is due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong there. So if they can continue to hold strong, that's certainly going to be the biggest sign of power on the bulls' part. But again, not at the end of the world. And the reason not the end of the world, and this more so pertains to those of you that care about the big picture of things, is because the price is still nicely up above this purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. And to better illustrate this, let me scrunch up the chart a little bit. So you can see that ever since the price started to come to life back here, at this portion of the chart, you can see that whenever the price has gotten around that purple line has done a beautiful job of acting as support. Has it perfectly stayed above it? It hasn't, but you get the point. Whenever it's gotten around that area, the price just keeps on staying above it, and that's why, this is a very simplistic way to kind of measure and monitor the overall health of the move. The way you do that in a very cut and dry sense, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the purple line moves upwards like it's been doing, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the key one right now that stands out, that's rejected the price on a couple different occasions, right up there at 0018. You can see there during there the first 30 minutes, and then later on in the afternoon right there. So 0018, key level of resistance, but top priority is not breaking 0018. Top priority is just doing what the chart's been doing in terms of building those higher bases, because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the chart's going to take care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So nice way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon the uptrend or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.